You can cook?
No.
Don't worry, call 555-0985 and ask for a doner kebab. Kebab Laubrai. And you will have your kebab at the door of your house in 5 minutes.
Kebabs are here.
And if you're not convinced with the product, sorry, there are no devolutions.
Your kebab.
No, I don't want it.
Okay, for breakfast.
Don't ever leave it for the next day.
Why, God? Why me?
Don't take your eyes off the kebab. And be careful while you sleep, because our kebabs are so good that even those who hate kebabs will love it. Kebabs Laubrai, your best choice.